All right, part two. Check out the first one. I'll put it in the corner here. Working on this taillight. My other one took a dump, and then I thought I could just weld this one up real quick, wire it up, and be off to the races, but I cooked the inside. Little life lesson, just slow down. So anyways, I got new internals, and I gotta wire up this magic box. The weird thing about this is it's gotta have a ground, so I have to have two wires. It's not a single cable situation, so it's kind of a waste of money. I don't really know. It's kind of up to you, but I think we're gonna go with pop this bad boy in, put the light in, and just work our way from the light down. And then I gotta find a spot to put this magic box from Prism Supply. All this is from Prism Supply. I'll have the links in the description. Otherwise, yeah, let's get to it. All right, so let's rebuild this bad boy. I got it welded on there. It's not pretty. That's beside the fact. This thing goes in here, obviously. Oh, this is the old one. Timeout. Here's the replacement part. I almost put the old one in. I hated myself for that one. All right, let's compare the two. All right, here's the two. Looks like it works. There's the old one. Here's the new lens cap that's gonna go on there. All right. I don't want to push on it too much. Kind of want to try to make a little loop. There we go. I never want the electrical just being pulled. So if I have like a little loop, it'll give it enough leeway to not get the wires pinched or pulled. Okay, that's our first step. Now let's try to get this lens in.
It was too dark to see under there.
It's a little better, I got a light on there. Now the tricky part is trying to get this lens on, which I have no idea how to do it. I feel like I'm gonna break this. Probably be easy if I had something to pinch it on there. That was a real pain in the shorts to get in there, to get that ring inside. It's pretty solid in there now, but now we gotta work our way down. I think I'm gonna put my ground right here. So let's do that. So I got this wired up as I showed you, and I replaced the banjo bolt because the other one was bad. I tested it with the multimeter and it was reading all the way through, and luckily I have another one for the shovel head, so I have to order another one. But I got it all wired up and it worked out. So now what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to put that box where that plate is down there. I was going to take the battery out and do it properly, I guess, but I think I'm just going to use this piece of metal I got and use one of the bolts that's already under there, make like a little tab. I just picked this up from somebody, the old Harbor Freight special. It's pretty nice. I just gotta Really need to clean it up with some WD-40. But this is the first time I'm going to use it. I need a clamp for it, but we'll see what happens. I've been wanting one of these drill presses because every time I make holes, they're always so wonky. This is going to be night and day difference. I'll be able to make a lot more proper shit with this. Okay, so I got my little bracket. Really tried to put the box over the entire bracket to cover the backside of it. But of course I didn't put the holes far enough apart. I'm gonna put it underneath the battery right now, and no one will really see this anyways. And then I'm gonna start wiring it up. Alright, so I got it screwed in right there, and all I gotta do is wire it in. This is the hot coming in, brake switch, and the one single wire going to the taillight. This is kind of the crappy part, is I gotta rewire these in with longer wires and hide it all, but it all fits in this big thing. Okay, so I got these things on Amazon probably. Comes with a bunch of them. I've used them before, but they were pretty crappy, so I'm trying them again. But it comes with this, it's like a kit, I don't even know what this is called, but it clamps down onto these little brackets, but they're pretty good if you can get them to seat. Yeah, that's pretty good. And then, yeah, just do another one. What I like to do is get them set up first. See, it clamps down. Helps to get this thing really nice, tight. Put it in there. Make sure it goes in there pretty good. Clamp it down. Boom, look at that. Holds onto the plastic part and your wires go inside of there. Pretty slick little device. Alright, and then I try to keep them one shorter and one longer, that way they're not touching each other. When I put the cover on, it should be good enough. I might even put a little tape over it, but probably not. I'll probably just run it like that. Almost buttoned up. I'm gonna plug it in before I cover all this stuff. Tuck it back in here. Put some more wrap on, heat shrink on it, excuse me. I want to test it first. I got the battery hooked up, and let's see if we got power. Alright, I'm stoked it works. So let's heat shrink this junk up and clean all this up and zip tie it up and go for a ride. fucking taillight's mint. Works good. I didn't bleed the brakes, so that sucks. But here it is. Not the greatest weld job, but who cares? I did it myself.